Hi everyone, this is Julie with Beading, and I want to show you how to turn your scrap pieces of wire into head pins and eye pins. So I don't like to waste anything. I keep all my extra little doodads as evidence here. This is my little extra pile of beads that are leftovers from old projects. And then here's some pieces of wire that were long enough to keep because I figured I'd do something with them eventually. I didn't want to throw them away, but they're scraps from other projects as well. So to turn them into an eye pin, it is super simple. So what you would do is you would just pick up your wire and take your round nose or wire looping pliers, and you're just going to make a simple wire loop on the end. So you're just going to grab it by the end and you're going to make a little loop. So you can see we're just working it around until we have a little loop. Now, it's not straight up and down because that is definitely not what an eye pin looks like. Of course, it's off to the side. So to straighten it up, you just notch it back. So what you do is you grab it by the loop and you push that wire back so that it is straight up and down. And now we have an eye pin that looks like any other eye pin that you would buy pre-made, but it used your scrap piece of wire. And now you're ready to go and create a link out of it or do whatever you like out of it. So that was really simple to do. Now we're going to do something that's a little bit more unusual. We're going to make a head pin. So a head pin, of course, stops beads from falling off. So if we take our scrap piece of wire and we put a bead on it right now, and off it goes. So that doesn't work. So we just need to create an anchor point. So to create an anchor point, what we're going to do is now we're going to take our chain nose pliers and we're going to grab it by the end. So we just have the very edge of that wire in our pliers and we're going to fold it over just like so. So it's almost like you're trying to make a loop. You make like a little U, but you're not aiming for a loop. You don't want to connect this to anything. So then what you're going to do is you're going to squish that U together. So we're going to put it in our pliers and we're just going to squish. Now, you can leave a little air right there, so you see there is a little hole in there, or you can keep squishing it so it's just completely flat against each other. So it's just an anchor point, and it creates a little decorative edge, a little decorative touch down there. And now you can put beads on it, and it's going to stop them from falling off. So here you go. And there, we made a little head pin. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip tutorial. You can check out other ones at beadaholic.com.